Hello everyone, fixing of zipper has never been made easy. In this video, I will share with you my simple trick on how I fix my zipper in 2 minutes. So the first thing you do is that you measure the distance between your waist to the point where you want your zipper to stop. I want my zipper to stop at 9 inches because from my waist to my hip is 8 inches. That is after removing 2 inches from my band. So now I'll come down 1 inch below my hip line, which will be 9 inches. Then I'll open up that zipper allowance that I kept for my skirts before I started joining. So the next thing I'll do now is to attach my zipper. As you can see, I've placed my zip on that allowance. So what I'll just do now is to turn it this way. Just turn it upside down. Then on that line that you open, that exact line that is stitched together before, that's where you are going to sew your zipper on. I'll just place my zipper and turn it this way. Then I will stitch on this wrong face now of the zipper on that line. Just make sure the zipper is sitting on that line. If it moves out of that line, your zipper will not sit well. So I'll go ahead and stitch it down to the 9 inches. Once I'm done stitching, I'll show you what it looks like. And I am done stitching, and this is what it looks like once you turn it around. The next thing I'll do now is that I'll turn the inside out so that I will stitch the other side. So the next thing I'll do now is that I'll place this side of the zipper that I've not stitched to this side. I'll place it and I'll turn it this way. So I'll just place the zipper on this side this way. Please just watch what I'm doing, even though you don't understand what I'm saying. If you are watching what I'm doing, you will still get exactly what I'm doing. So you place it together this way. As you can see, the waistline is equal. So the next thing I'll just do now is to stitch it down. When you are stitching, you make sure that your zipper is on that line. Once you move out of that line when you are stitching, you realize that your waistline will not be equal on your zipper. And it's not going to look nice. And this is what it looks like after I am done. So now to get rid of this excess zip at the down, I'll just cut it out now. Once I cut it out, I'll sew it together with needle and thread so that it will look neat. So I am done with it, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to turn it around now for you to see the outer part of it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.